Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today I've got a fun one. This is a 1975 Porsche 914. This car is 49,000 original miles. This car is a survivor. Got it here from a friend of mine here locally in Houston. Car collector, he's had it in his collection. Very cool car, Laguna blue with the tartan interior. That's the way it came from the factory, very rare. Very nice. We do have the Porsche authentication on this car, showing it's a numbers matching car. Very, very neat. The paint is all original. It's not been repainted. It looks great. There are some areas that give it a little character. There's some fading here. It's been buffed and ceramic coated, but a couple little fade spots. Rock chip here, but this is all original survivor car, so expect some of that. Here's a little spot here where it burned through the buffing, but where it was faded, by the sun, and then they ceramic coated over the top of it. But there's another little spot here. Just want to show all the little spots on top of this door. But overall, just unbelievable. It looks so nice. It's glossy. These wheels were done by Al Reed. They're anodized. Beautiful wheels. Very expensive to re-anodize those. Al Reed was the legend for doing that. We have the receipts for that as well. It does have good records, this car. It's got the 2.0. Is a manual transmission. No rust. A lot of these cars had rust. This car has no rust at all. Inside here, this is a 5-speed. Beautiful interior. This is all untouched. It's just so nice and clean. No wear at all. Laguna blue with the tartan plaid. This car does have air, factory air. It does work. There's our mileage, 49,000. The radio has been rebuilt, and that works as well. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel looks good. Car sounds good. Your little removable top there. It's a neat 914. Eye-catching in this color. The wheels look sharp on this car. Give me a call, text, email. I will respond quickly with any questions. If you want additional videos or photos or anything like that, all you have to do is reach out. I'm very easy to get a hold of. And we will do whatever it takes to get a deal done. We can ship this to you in an enclosed trailer. No problem at all. I do have classic car financing, if that's something you would like to look into. If you have your own bank, not a problem. We can deal with any bank as well. Here's where the engine is, down in here. Back window looks great. I think a collector would be very happy with this car. Unmolested. Use it as a driver, go have some fun with it. Hope to hear from you guys. Video's getting a little long. Give me a shout. I'm ready to deal with you and make something happen on this car. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Find us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars, and like the video. All right, thanks for watching.